Alvin, and this is a demo lesson for how to use Google Classroom. We are all learning. I am also learning how to use this great platform, so let's get right into it. This is your homepage. This is a student version of how it's going to look like to use Google Classroom. As you can see, this student already has all their classwork, and it also includes my work. This is the PE class, Physical Education with Mr. Balvin, and it shows you right here what work we need to complete. You can also see all your other assignments all in one place. I'm going to go ahead and click on PE with Mr. Balvin, and it opens up the home page. I can also see the assignments right here as well, but let's look at it in a neater way by clicking up here all the way to the top where it says Classwork. Where I see Classwork, I see all the steps that I need to complete. Step 1, I need to complete my attendance. Step number 2, step number 3, and step number 4. But first, let's look at step number 1. Step number 1, I need to take attendance for today. All I have to do is go ahead and mark that I'm present and turn this in. After I click turn in, it's going to give me a warning. Are you sure you want to turn this in? I'm going to click yes, turn in. And then now I go to step number 2. My answer is locked in. Step number 2, warm up. Every day, just like when we're in the classroom, boys and girls, we do our Fortnite fitness, we do our listen and move. So this is going to be right here for you to play. All you have to do is click on the video and it's going to open up and you guys already know what to do. I'm going to click out of this. Then step number 3, after you do your warm-up, you're going to do your lesson. Each day, I'm going to post a different lesson. This is a sample lesson where we're going to learn how to pass the ball if we were doing soccer skills. You read the directions, skill, soccer pass. Watch the YouTube video about soccer. If you need help on equipment, I tell you right here, if you don't have a soccer ball, you can use any other ball or something else. And then it tells you your activity. So your activity after you watch the video is going to be to pass the ball and aim for a target. Every day I'm going to have a different activity, so make sure you read the directions. Very, very important that you read the directions on everything that you do in Google Classroom. And I'm going to look at the video so I can learn how to kick the ball properly. I'm going to click play, and here it is. After I watch the video, I click out of it, and then I jump back in and do my last step, which is my classwork. For classwork, it says right here in the directions, click on the form for soccer passing or soccer questions. I click on this form, step number 4, click on it, and it takes me to this page where I have to answer my name. I'm going to put Balvin. Then, how do I feel today? Well, today I feel green. And the last question that I have, what do you use to kick a ball? We're going to go ahead and say foot and then submit my answer. After I submit, I am done. I am finished. I finished all 4 steps and I can submit it again, but I don't need to do that. Now I can go back and click open assignment and it takes me back where I was. So again, it shows me that I submitted or I turned it in, and I can just go back to my classroom by clicking PE Balvin, and everything is done. And I can go back to this little button over here. I call this the sandwich button. I click on it and I can change all my classes. Okay. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.